So, I'm finally in college, and there are a few things I would like to share with you guys. So, let's get started. So, first of all, I am in Symbiosis Center for Management Studies, which is one of the best colleges for BBA program in India. The campus of this college is just beautiful. I mean, look at it. I am not going to comment on anything other than the campus because I am just speechless. Anyways, so what is going to happen to this channel? Well, the short answer is nothing. But the long answer is college is tiring. And because of that, I won't be able to publish videos as consistently as I did last month. Like every 2 days there was a video. And if I do publish consistently, you should know that I got an editor. And now you might ask, who is going to be my editor? Well, it can be you. It actually can be you. If you can actually edit just like me, or maybe in even like 70% of what I do, and want to edit for me, DM me on Discord. Here is my ID. We'll have negotiation about the how much I should pay you and all and stuff. Don't DM me if you are under 16. Like, nah, bro, I will not hire you. Other than this, I might start vlogging. Like, maybe I'll start vlogging in college or maybe something, I don't know, on this channel or maybe Makvinchin 2. We never know. I don't know. And that's it. Comment down below if you have any questions and I'll answer them. Ask anything. Thank you for watching.